What's fucking gonna do? Why don't you narrate your van, bro? Huh? Narrate. Don't you want to sell it? So narrate it.
Yeah, it's great. All we gotta say is we got a hair FlipFop thing.
You gotta come around here if you want to say it. What else you got? Huh? You got custom interior?
Yeah, we got custom
You got a fireplace in the car? Is that what that is? That's a fireplace? Hardwood floors, 42-inch TV over there, one over here.
TV in every address, double edition van.
Wood everywhere. It's all wood.
12 6x9s.
TV, radio, custom dash, or custom center console with the PlayStation. Look, PlayStation.
Some of the speakers up top.
Yeah. There's like 1 million speakers in this car. How's that saying how many there is? I have no idea. Oh, there's a bar, a cooler. It's empty at the moment except for that wine at the bottom I see. Oh, okay. We've got speakers.
Yeah. You came on top.
Yep. Fuller Sounds edition.
No, but this is Fuller Sounds. The Fuller Sounds custom. They customize the whole car, inside, outside. Dub edition. We got the hardwood floors. We got 10 TVs. 2 42-inch plasmas.
Oh, there's TVs in the doors.
7-inch.
TVs in every single headrest. Wow, you got hater vision.
Let's see how many haters we're going to see.
Fuller Sounds logo on the deck. I like that. I like Fuller Sounds logo everywhere. Alligator. Seats. Okay. Because it's your van. So what are those? 20s? 22s. Look, it looks like a little transformer, actually, a big transformer over here. It's funny. Look.
Dub edition. That's for sale. If you want to buy it, just call and make an offer. Call the number 313-570-7870.
Yeah, what this guy said.